Hey guys, what's up? Shane here from Awake FX. I want to welcome you to this trading video. So today's date is the 26th of June 2023 and we are hunting a trade. The US Open has taken place. It's now 9:44 a.m. in New York. I'm going to have a look and see can I find a silver bullet trade in the market today. So let's have a look at the charts and see how the market's unfolding and see if we can get a trade. Right guys, so we're looking at a 5-minute chart of the ES here, and you can see since 9:30 a.m. we've had this violent move upwards, a lot of volatility in the market. So what could happen here is we could have a pullback here that could potentially be a long where we can target buy side above the market. So that's one scenario. The other scenario is price could continue just moving higher and take out these buy side levels, and potentially we could look for a short to go the other way. So at the moment, I'm still undecided as to what direction to play right now, but I've marked buy side above this high over here, the swing high, because there's lots of buy stop orders above there. I've also marked buy side above the swing high over here on the left, so there'll be a lot of buy stop orders up there too. So prices moved up. We're just waiting now till after the 10 a.m. time frame here before we take a trade. And once we're on the 1-minute chart, we'll start marking up our structure here. So I'm going to get this little tool here. Swing low, swing high, swing low. Just broken this high. What's going to happen? Could have pull back. Could continue up like this. We could break. We could potentially move lower. We just have to wait and see. Let the market tell us what it wants to do. And just have our finger on the button, ready to take action when we see the trade. Price could come down here, just dip below these two lows and potentially move higher. Take out this short-term liquidity. Let's see what happens. So there we go. We got a little dip below these lows here on the left. Let's have a look at the 5-minute chart. So you see price just dipped into that low there and has bounced. So you can see the market structure, guys, here. We've got low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we did pierce this, okay, but this is a false break. We didn't get a strong candle closing down here, did we? No, we got a little dip in, and that's why this has now broken the highs here again. Now what I like about what's just happened here is we've broken the buy side, okay? So let's just zoom out and have a quick look at that. So if we zoom out here to a 5-minute chart, you see over here on the left, we've taken out a lot of stop loss orders that would have been there. So now see how it's rejecting quite violently away from there. So now I'm getting pretty ready for a short here, guys. We're between 10 and 11 a.m. So we're in the silver bullet time zone. And we've had a break of a previous high. So liquidity has been taken. So now what I'm looking for is a shift in market structure. So if you watched any of my previous videos, I have videos on market structure, displacement, fair value gaps, all of this. Make sure to check out the other videos I have here on this channel, and it'll give you more insight into exactly what we're talking about here if it is unfamiliar to you. So I'm just going to jump to a 1-minute chart here, and let's observe this. So what do we want to happen? Well, I want a break of this low here. That would be a market structure shift and potentially a pullback, and we're looking to go lower. That's the plan. Today is Monday. I'm only looking to take about 5 points out of this and be done for the day. So it's going to be a quick trade in and out, about 5 points. I'll be happy with that. Monday can be a tricky day sometimes, so don't want to be greedy on the Monday. I want to start off the week. Start off the week with a nice little bit of profit in the bank, and then the real trading really starts on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's when the heavy lifting of the week is done. What we want to see here on the dollar index below, we want to see price, taking off here and moving higher, taking out these highs, and then the ES selling off and breaking these lows, giving us a clear signal that the trend is reversing here, or the short-term trend is reversing. So the time right now is 10:10 a.m. Nice time of the day. There we go. We got the break. So now, guys, we're going to keep it nice and simple. We're just going to look for a short. You can see in a 1 minute chart here now, we've just formed a fair value gap between this candle's low, this candle's high. Going to be looking at a Fibonacci retracement from high to low because we may not come back to that level. We have another fair value gap here. Okay, so we've got fair value gap 1, fair value gap 2. Which one do I take? Well, the fact that there are fair value gaps shows the price is weak. Okay, so I'm happy to get in close to that 50% retracement. Okay, 4398, if we can get up around there, I'll be very happy. It'll allow me a 5-point stop above the highs.
Order filled.
Well, there we go, our order is filled. So we're short there, 4398, you can see, 3 contracts. So just looking for price to move lower. Happy to get out around 4392. So we're in at 4398. Stop loss above the high. I'm going to get out here around the 4392 level. So if I take profit order there, 3 contracts to come off at 4392. That would net $900. You can see price has rejected the lower fair value gap, but obviously this other fair value gap here above is another area where a lot of traders may be getting in as well. So our stop loss would definitely have to be above that. So I like to put it above the absolute swing high here. And now it's just a waiting game. Let the market do its thing. As we say, let it do its thing. Be calm, be cool. We've done the trade. Not every trade will work out. There's one thing I have to tell you guys, that not every trade is going to work out. This could blow up here and just be a loser. But the thing is, if you take this trade every single day and you do it 50 times, even if you only get it correct 20 times or 25 times out of 50, half the time, you'll still make profit as long as your reward to risk ratio is good. So let's stay in the trade here, let it do its thing. You can see the dollar index at the bottom is rising higher. Okay, that's what we want to see. And now what we want to see is price come away from these highs to move lower. In my opinion, this is a perfectly executed trade, even if it's a loser. It's a perfectly executed trade. It's another one of them nail biters, folks. Nail biting trade. Why? Because it's so close to my stop loss here. But we have our stop loss in a logical location. So let's look at the structure here. You can see that we were making our series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then we had this little break here to take out some liquidity. Okay. And we make it a higher high. But when this happened here, it's taken out all these stop orders here. This is when the trend reversed. So between this point A at the top and point B here, no matter what happens in here, no matter how far back it retraces, we are in a downtrend right now. As long as this stays intact, as long as we've lower highs and lower lows. So I'm looking for price to come down, get out in or around here, and then be done for this trade for today. There you go. Fall like a waterfall, baby. This on the left here is my Top Step Trade of 8 account. I'm currently doing step 2 of the Top Step challenge. The starting balance was 150k, and I'm looking to bring this up to 159k and pass step 2. That would lead to a funded account with Top Step. I do trade my own account separately, but I'm doing this one for you guys here on YouTube. So hope you enjoy following along with the trades. You can see here the NASDAQ on the left. This is a nice little clue here, guys. See the way we've made a high, a low, higher high. We've actually broken this previous low on the NASDAQ. That's given us a little bit of a heads up that it's likely that this low here will be broken now on the ES. So that's the correlation between these two markets. So this is what the silver bullet is, guys. It's a trade between 10 and 11. We took our entry between 10 and 11. Let's see, can we get our target hit before 11? That's the ideal situation. You know, you want to enter kind of early, before 10:30. You want to be kind of getting out after 10:30ish, you know. That's where usually the bulk of the move is made. However, Mondays can be a little bit more choppy, hence why this is not racing to target. Let's be patient. It'd be nice if I had a remote control. I could just press a button and go, black candle, black candle, black candle, down, down, down. Actually, it looks like it's working there. Go down, go down. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. Okay, down, 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 down. This is the live market. There we go. Target hit. Happy days. Oh, look at that reaction, see? Okay, so we hit our target there, guys. $900 minus commission. See there in the top left, $886.26. So that's the silver bullet. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe. Click on the bell icon, guys. Delighted to have you all here, and I hope to improve the channel over time to help you with your trading. Thanks, and bye-bye.